All right, hi, John Marshall, the DrillMaster. All right, so I have an old glove of mine that has, I don't know if you can see this. The darker it gets, the better. So it has little grippies on it. It's a coating. It feels kind of like chicken skin. You can get this glove is stretchy. You can get all cotton gloves. You can get thicker cotton gloves as well. But excuse me, to put this glove on would mean that the wrist just extends, and that just doesn't look good, not at all. So what we do is we tuck the glove. So what you're going to do is about halfway between where the thumb is, right here, there, right there, and the top, about halfway between, place your fingers and your thumb like this, pinch the material, and then push it in. There. And then you're going to do it a second time at the base of the thumb there. Now, it's going to cover up the thumb hole just a bit, but when you put it on, it actually moves out of the way. I don't know if you can see the rib here. Let me get in. So yeah, there's kind of a rib right there of the folded material. Anyway, that's what. Boy, the lighting in here really is a drag. Let me see if I can turn this down. There. Oh, that's better. Much better. So here's the rib of the first fold. Here's kind of the rib of the second fold. It tends to bunch up just a little bit there, but now I did this really quickly. You can take your time and do it much better. But this is what you're supposed to look like, with the wrist having the folded material around there, and then that's exactly what you want. Now the other gloves that you'll find out there that have the little snap on the wrist, or those ridiculous gloves with that Velcro that wraps around, man, that looks bad. That's just, I know, flag carrier gloves, flag holder gloves, something like that, looks really, really bad. But even the gloves that don't have a snap, that have a little V right there, they're just kind of flappy. Those are regular dress gloves. They're not necessarily meant for any kind of performance. They're just meant to wear with the uniform, and they usually have 3 ribs right sewn in to the top of the hand there for the glove. But when you have this type of glove, they're called honor guard gloves. But when you have these and you fold them properly, you wear them properly, then you have that much more professional look. And then if you have a long sleeve shirt, before you put your blouse on, take the sleeves and roll them up inside twice and make sure that they're secured up there. And then you have nothing but that. If you reach out, then you have nothing but the cutoff of the end of the sleeve, and then the which looks good because it's professionally hemmed, but then you have the cutoff there at your wrist of the folded glove, and that's going to be your best option to look as professional as possible. All right, if this helped, I'm glad. Give me a thumbs up or whatever, or even a comment. Thanks a lot. I appreciate it.